kitchen, feeling bright, mixing up something fresh and light. Eggs and cheese, veggies too, a healthy meal made just for you. You know it's good when the spices hit right. A little flavor makes the morning bright. Step by step I'm learning why dreams can grow like tortilla pie. Cooking today, planning ahead, building my future with love and bread.
Hi, I'm Kynzie, and today we're going to be making a breakfast tortilla pie using the tortilla as the crust, 3 eggs, meat as your choice. Today I'll be using ham, onion, and bell peppers, and cottage cheese. You can either choose to sprinkle some cheese on your breakfast tortilla, and today I'll be using these spices. I'm not going to use cheese today.